Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add an animated image or GIF to OBS Studio. This is a great way to make your streams more dynamic and engaging by adding animated overlays, alerts, or decorative elements. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the program launches and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your visual elements for your stream or recording are managed. In the Sources section, look for the plus icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various source options. From this list, select Image. This option allows you to add still images as well as animated GIFs to your scene, making it versatile for different types of visual content. After selecting Image, a dialog box will appear prompting you to name your source. It's a good practice to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you could type something like animated image or GIF, then click OK to proceed. This naming convention will help you stay organized, especially when you're working with multiple sources in your scene. Next, a Properties window will open up. On the right side of this window, you'll see a Browse button. Click on it to open your File Explorer. This is where you'll navigate to the location where your animated image or GIF is stored on your computer. Now browse through your folders and locate the animated image or GIF file you want to add to your stream. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click Open. This will load the file path into the Properties window, and you should see a preview of your animated image appearing in the OBS preview area. After you've selected your file, click OK at the bottom of the Properties window to confirm and add the animated image to your scene. The GIF will now appear in your OBS preview, and you should be able to see it animating in real time. Finally, you'll want to resize and position your animated image to fit your scene perfectly. To do this, simply click on the image in the preview area and drag the corners to make it larger or smaller. You can also click and drag the entire image to reposition it anywhere on your screen. This gives you full control over how the animation appears in your final output. And there you have it. You've successfully added an animated image or GIF to OBS Studio, adding more personality and visual interest to your streams or recordings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.